Are you tired of jumping between 5 different tabs just to find the right AI model for your videos? What if you could access Sora 2, Kling, VO 3.1, and Runway all in one single place? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing an honest review of DeeVid AI, a platform positioning itself as the ultimate AI video and image agent. With the AI landscape moving faster than ever, DeeVid AI claims to be the most advanced and inexpensive way to generate high-quality, hallucination-free videos in just a few seconds. But does it actually deliver? Let's break down what it does, the models it supports, and whether it's worth your time. First, let's talk about how it works. DeeVid AI is basically a powerhouse hub for creators. Instead of forcing you to subscribe to multiple different AI tools, it brings the world's best models under one roof. We're talking about heavy hitters like VO 3.1, Sora 2, Kling, WAN 2.1, Nano Banana Pro, and Luma. You don't have to compare or jump back and forth. You just open a tool, pick your model, and start creating. The platform offers 3 main creative modes. First is text-to-video. You type in a descriptive prompt like a cinematic, dreamlike beachside photo shoot at dawn, and the AI brings those words to life. Second is image-to-video, which lets you animate still photos. You can upload an image and have the AI make a character put on glasses, make a couple hold hands, or make a car drive at high speeds. Finally, there's video-to-video, which lets you easily apply entirely new styles, moods, or special effects to your existing footage. They also have fun, ready-to-use templates for quick social media content, like AI-generated hugs, kisses, or festive Santa videos. Plus, DeeVid AI emphasizes data privacy, ensuring your uploaded images and videos are securely processed. Now, let's keep it 100% real. Because DeeVid AI is a relatively fresh player in this rapidly growing space, there are currently very limited independent user reviews online. We don't have a massive pool of public feedback to tell us how it holds up under heavy server loads, or how its rendering speeds compare day to day. However, the sheer convenience of having models like Stable Diffusion, Vidu, Hailu, and Pika in one dashboard is a massive pro for any creator looking to experiment without paying for a dozen different monthly subscriptions. So, is DeeVid AI the best video generator tool out there? If you love experimenting with different AI models and want a hassle-free, all-in-one workspace, it is absolutely worth checking out. You can actually get started for free on their website at DeeVid.ai to test the models yourself. What do you think? Are you ready to trade your multiple subscriptions for a single AI hub? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.